I'm talking to Roy here at the Toronto Raw Vegan Festival, and apparently your company is EXL. So what do you guys excel in?
Okay, EXL means, double XL. So basically, we're a research-driven company dealing with nutritional immunology. That's the science that was invented in 1987. First terminology in 1987 when the founder of the company invented the terminology nutritional immunology, which deals with the science of how plants react to, and the nutrients in plants react to the human immune system. So a very research-driven company, a lot of scientists, using plants from a wide variety across the scope. The main criteria is to teach people about, first of all, to teach people about their immune system, and then teach them what they need to do to keep their immune system in good order, because everybody knows, or should know, that 90% of all illness is caused by immune deficiency disorders. So, once you know that, then you know your immune system is vitally important to keep it at a high level. So we go through a training program. Immune system, what you need to do by yourself, and then because of the modern lifestyle we all have, it's very difficult for people to reach that. So then we give them a convenience factor, which is pure food.
So let's look at some of these products you have as a package. What are the pure foods that you have here?
Okay.
That's what you got.
Oh, they're all pure food.
You're going to walk me through them? What's this?
This is a capsule, okay? The capsule form.
For different things, like what's this thing?
Oh, Vegaplex is, looking at the caption, it's really for vegetarians and vegans because it has the B12, but B12 extracted from the bacteria, not through a cow. So basically, B12 and iron, very, very important to a vegan. OC, omega-3. There's a lot of bad information about omega-3. The balance between omega-3 and omega-6 is very important. But we take omega-3 not from marine, which is a lot of contamination. We take it from plant. Okay, so very important.
Good.
GR, because bones and joints, if we don't have a right diet, then our bones and our joints can suffer very badly. So GR is designed to make sure that your bones and your joints are well. The rest of them, you talk about some of the powder packages. This one, for instance, NutriFresh, 25 different kinds of plants in here, in one sachet in a day. So if your kids don't like vegetables, give them one of those. $1.25, done.
There we go, done.
Okay.
What else you got?
So, heart. Everything about the human body, basically. Heart, liver, sorry, the other way around. Heart, kidney. And then these are all non-milk based products. A lot of soy based, but soy is very important. It's a very important product, but if it's not handled correctly, then it can be not so important for people. So the proper, the manufacture and production of this is so vitally important. So everything here, you see, is captured full nutritional value. 100% pure organic, full nutritional value. So no nutrition is lost in the process.
And they're vegan too, obviously.
Okay. So basically, that's what we do. Educate, tell people what they need to do for themselves, and the difference with what they can do and what they can't do because of modern lifestyle. Then we give them a convenience factor.
Okay.
But pure food. It's only pure food. No medicinal, only pure food.
Okay. What's your website?
Website is www.exl.net.
Okay. Great.
Any more?
That's basically it. We're good. Thanks.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks so much.